Good morning. Today I am hiking the Sentiero DiShay trail. It is a 14-mile loop and looks like it goes right through some camps here, which is awkward. I assume this is the trail. Not a heavily used trail at all. It is a multi-use trail, ski, hike. I think you can even ride horses on it. And part of it is also the high water route for the Black Forest Trail. So I have the Black Forest Trail map with me if I need it. I'm only about half a mile into this trail and it is gorgeous. Look at this. I think I may have found a hidden gem. So far it's well maintained, but I'm pretty sure once I get deeper into it there's going to be some iffy spots, but yeah, it is just beautiful. All the mountain laurel and hemlocks. Well, this is a first. I've never seen corrugated metal used as a bridge. Okay, this is one of those spots that gets a little hairy. So when you get off of, with the route I'm taking anyway, when you get off of the FKX ski trail, it points you down to this stream bed, and there's no blazes, but you just follow the stream bed just like, I don't know, 70 yards. It's not that far. And then there's blazes going up the hill. So if that's the worst of it, that's not bad. So I'm currently on a section that actually goes with the Black Forest Trail. So if you see, there will be orange and blue blazes on the trees in this section. If the sun could just stay behind those clouds the rest of the day, that'd be nice. It is hot today. It was, I don't know, I think it was 73 when I got out of my car at 10 o'clock. It's definitely well above 80 by now. Can't believe it is this hot in April. Okay, so at this vista, we're now, it's over there somewhere, we're now leaving the Black Forest Trail and heading up Pipeline Road. Something like a downhill road walk to make up some time. Kind of want to start running. The things I would do to have that cabin. Oh my gosh, that's perfect. So I'm sitting here on my lunch break. I'm about halfway through the hike. Feeling pretty good. Cobwebs stuck to my face. So far, I really like the trail. It is a hot day, but there's been enough clouds to help cool me off now and then. And it's just constantly changing and very easy to follow. The only concern I have right now is this trail has been very dry. There was a stream right at the beginning, which would be, closer to the halfway point if you were starting at the other parking lot. But on the map it looked like there was going to be a little stream crossing right here, but there isn't anything. So I'm about halfway through my water, so I'll have to be a little more conservative and hope that I come across a stream somewhere. So about a half a mile after where I took my lunch break, there is a stream, so I was able to fill up. I did see a warning about this on all trails, that there was a boggy area. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to make it through this with feet being dry. Here's an example of where not to set. Does anybody know what this black stuff is all over this tree? If you know what that is, leave a comment below, because I've never seen anything like it. Of course I can never get them on video, but there are deer everywhere in this spot. Just saw 2 there, and I saw about 6 on this side a minute ago. They all looked huge too. Like they might have been a bachelor group of bucks. So I still have a few miles left on this trail, but I wanted to make an announcement. I have hiked 200 miles so far this year, and that is personal best for me. I don't think I've ever hiked 200 miles in an entire year, let alone in the first 4 months. Alright, let's keep going. How gorgeous is this? Don't mind all the bugs. They're honestly not that bad. Like, they're everywhere, but they're not biting bugs at least. There are some really random huge boulders around here. Things about the size of the school bus. Really nice campsite right here, right after you cross over that creek. Well, I can see the road, which means I'm at the end, and I gotta say, this was a very enjoyable trail, especially this last mile or so, all in evergreen forest. I would definitely recommend it. I would definitely do it again. There's just 2 spots where things got a little hairy, but otherwise really easy to follow and mostly flat. And there weren't that many blowdowns, just a few muddy spots. Not bad at all. All right, you guys have a good day.